Okay guys, I am going to do a test. I have this rectangle. It is 0.361 by 23.5 inches. We are going to cut it on the Cricut Maker, but we're going to use Smart Vinyl with the roll holder. Let me add that the Smart Vinyl is not made for the original Maker, only for the Generation 3 Cricut machines. The Explorer 3 and Maker 3 are made with sensors, so it will measure it. It will smoothly take in the vinyl and straighten it out if it's crooked. So let's go over here and click Make It. And I think I want to just move this over to this way. So I could actually save the rest of this vinyl and we won't waste all of that. This just says it's larger than a regular mat. You need a 24-inch mat. We're not going to use a mat today. We're going to hit continue and we're going to use matte vinyl. So I'm just going to go to vinyl and scroll down to matte vinyl and click done. And we're ready to load. Find the edge here. Okay, so we're going to insert this vinyl in here. And this is not even, see how we're way over here? So we're gonna have to get this even. This is not as easy on the Maker as it is on the Maker 3. Much easier on the Maker 3. Okay, wanna hit the load. Let me show you how easy it was loading into the Maker 3. I really just pushed it up there and hit the load button. It was extremely simple. Okay, let's go back to the original Maker. This will not measure it to make sure you have enough material, and it will not straighten it if it's crooked like it does on the Maker 3. Just pushing this up. Uh-oh. Houston, we have a problem. Uh-oh. That didn't work out so well. Should we try it again? It looks like the back of this got stuck on the machine or something. Okay. Let's cut this. I'm going to stick this here. Let's stick it through here. I'm going to cut off the bad part. I think this is even. Okay, the part that got all stuck in here did something to the backing too. All right, we're going to try it again. It is much harder to get in here. Okay. Now I don't want to cut in the same spot here, so we're going to, let's dismiss, let's cancel, yes. I want to edit this, so we're not in the exact same spot. We're going to move this over and then hit continue. We're going to get the vinyl, matte vinyl. Okay, We'll try it again. Cut. I don't think it's loaded right. This is so much slower than the Maker 3. Okay, it did do it this time. I don't like that this unloads this all the way. I like the way the Maker 3 does it, because now I have to pull it through here to cut it. But first, I want to make sure it's cut. Okay, it did cut this okay. So I'm going to pull this back closer. This is so much better on the Maker 3. So this one did work, but we wasted all of this vinyl. It's not guaranteed to work in this machine. So we got this mess. The Maker 3, it works perfectly. So I'm not sure you'd want to spend your money on the Smart vinyl and the roll holder for the old Maker machine. Now this is cutting on the Maker 3. You'll see it's much more smoother. It's actually even quieter than the original Maker. And so much faster. This is actually cutting two 5.5-inch banners by 5 feet. You can see the full video of this. I did not speed up this cutting. I admit it looks like I have it in double speed, but it's not. This is real-time speed on the Maker 3.